In the construction world in Jamaica, there's a saying that you measure twice and cut once to avoid mistakes. The agency that deals with setting the rates and schedule fees for construction workers in Jamaica is the Master Builders of Jamaica. Whenever you choose, because every Tom, Dick, and Harry, when they work on a construction site, they want to be paid Master Builders rate, but not everyone is a Master Builder. In Jamaica, whenever you choose to do construction, make sure you get references and make sure the person has experience in doing what they're doing. Because if you don't get it right the first time, you could find yourself in a situation where it's raining, winding, and bad weather, and you have to be doing construction in the middle of bad weather because there's major leakage. Measure twice, cut once. Avoid the mistake.